Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung likod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan. At sinusuyo ba yan ng Renzo Tarot Channel? Mega shoutout po sa lahat natin soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat. Okay? This is for you mga pinakamahal kong Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Okay? Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing good, great, healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Alright, so, sige. This is for you mga lalabs kong Scorpio, mga soulmates kong Scorpio, right? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs takes what only resonates. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga susunod nating videos. Sige, last shuffle for you. Scorpio, kukunin na natin ang yung 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Scorpio. Alright. 2, 3, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 4, 5. Last 5 cards for you, Scorpio. 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, Scorpio, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na natin patagalin po ito because I know that you're so excited. Let's begin your reading with, Queen of Pentacles. Scorpio, nasa sitwasyon ka ngayon na medyo nag-worry ka about your finances. It seems that, hindi naman natin masasabi dito, as sagad talaga, yung parang negative. But it seems na parang hindi ka kasi sanay, Scorpio, na ikaw kasi yung tipo ng taong dapat laging, kompleto lagi, you have everything. Pag dumating na yung mga bills, yung mga due dates, everything, it should be settled. So that's why siguro nasa sitwasyon ka ngayon na medyo nag-aalangan ka or nag-worry ka, it's because medyo kinakapos tayo dito sa kaperahan, Scorpio. So, aside from the needs on your home, sa sarili, parang medyo nakikita ko pa dito, parang medyo may mga bagay ka pang dapat isettle na related sa finances na sa ibang tao, responsibility mo sa ibang tao, maybe family, friends na napapag-utangan, parang gano'n na, parang medyo gumugulo talaga sa isipan mo, Scorpio, and really want to settle this thing. Okay? So, ito nakikita natin dito, medyo may konting inaalala or konting, iniisip tungkol sa kapag pera pinag-usapan dito, Scorpio. Alright? We have here the Tower card. Scorpio, galing ka sa isang sitwasyon na although painful, although wala kang choice, sabi nga whether you like it or not, parang nagtapos. Ano ba ito, Scorpio? Mag-comment ka, but I can really feel an energy here with the Tower card that something has collapsed. Galing ka ba, nawalan ka ba ng trabaho, na-lay off ka, break up ba ito, or something, parang nalugi ba yung negosyo, kakauwi mo pa lang ba, something about na nag-end sa'yo. But, you know what, believe me, Scorpio, the universe will not make a way para matapos ito or mawala ito sa'yo na hindi dahilan or walang dahilan. It's because everything happens for a reason, Scorpio. And yun, it may be painful man ang naging paraan, medyo masakit man yung naging way para matapos ang mga bagay-bagay na ito, but still, you should always think, lagi mo isipin na yung kapalit nitong mas maganda. Tower is collapse, breakdown of certain institution, a certain situation in your life that is not working for you anymore. Okay? Hindi na yan makakatulong in the long run. Hindi na yan healthy, toxic na yan for you. So, there's no progress at all. Wala nang growth for you, Scorpio. That's why it will be ending or it has ended for you. Alright, Scorpio? Pangatlo, kita mo, napakalinaw ng bara. Believe me, Scorpio. Death card. Huwag ka matakot, this is not literally death na may mamamatay or but napakalinaw with the Tower and the Death card na magkasunod, something is about to end your life. Toxic ba yung relationship mo ngayon? Okay? Huwag mo nang antayin na mag-break up kayo like the universe ang gumawa ng parang Scorpio. Okay? Kung medyo nahihirapan ka na, bumitaw ka na. Okay? So, hindi ba healthy yung work environment mo? Pagod na pagod ka na, binubuli ka, pressured ka. So, with the Death card, lumayo ka na. Make an action. Take an action, Scorpio. Huwag mo nang pangarapin pang may growth na mangyayari dyan. Alright? So, friendship. Kapag hindi ka binavalue. Okay? So, puro na lang pang-aabuso, pang-gagamit ang nangyayari. With the Death card, umalis ka na dyan. All of the things, lahat ng sitwasyon, alright, Scorpio, na hindi na talaga nag-work para sa'yo, ay tapusin mo na, umalis ka na, it needs to end for the betterment and for the peace of mind that you truly deserve. Okay? Napakalinaw ng mga cards natin. Pang-apat, tingnan mo, napakalinaw. Three of Wands. Talikuran mo na yan. Kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob, kailangan mong kumilos, gumawa ng action, Scorpio, para talikuran yung mga bagay na hindi na para sa'yo. Harapin mo ang new journey, new beginning na nag-aantay para sa'yo. It's been a long time, matagal na panahon na na-compromise yung happiness mo. Kailan ka ba huling ngumiti, Scorpio? Napakabigat ng pinagdadaanan mo. Please, take an action. Move. Okay? Talikuran na. I know you're ready. Matagal ka nang ready para harapin ang bagong journey ng buhay mo. But it seems medyo may mga distraction, may mga gumugulo na. But this is the best time if you're looking for an answer, if you're looking for a sign, a message. Kapag napanood mo ito, Scorpio, talikuran mo na lahat. Face a new reality for life. Happiness and contentment, peace of mind is waiting for you. Ayaw mo ba nito? Or martyr ka na lang dyan? Hanggang dyan ka na lang sa sitwasyon na yan. Trabaho, love life, friendship, or whatever na napakabigat ng sitwasyon mo ngayon. You need to move forward. You need to turn your back. Talikuran mo yan, tapusin mo na yan. Right? Panglima, apektado na yung mental health mo with the moon card here. Apektado na yung emotion mo. There's an imbalance with your emotion dito, Scorpio. And it needs to be balanced. Unfair naman. Ikaw yung nagsasuffer ng mga sitwasyon na hindi mo naman ginawa. It's really unfair na ikaw yung naapektuhan sa mga toxicities. Sa mga panggagamit, pang-abuso na you don't deserve, Scorpio. With the moon card, please, help yourself. Balansehin mo yung emotion mo. Balansehin mo yung pag-iisip mo kasi apektado ka na. Hindi ka, naapekto na yung mga decision mo. Yung mga dapat mong gagawin. Even your daily routine, trabaho, everything. You don't deserve this, Scorpio. Okay? You're a very good person. You're an extraordinary person. Talented. You're very smart. So, bakit ka magpapalamon sa ganitong sistema? Take an action. Apektado na yung mental health mo. Alright? So, sige. Before we proceed to our last 5 cards here in the second row, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe at nagustuhan nyo po, please do subscribe po, like, comment, and share dito sa ating YouTube. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, please, important reminder, hindi po ako yung unang magbe-message sa inyo to offer a private reading. Kayo lang po ang mag-message sa TikTok account na ito. Pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng private reading. Doble ingat po sa scammers. Nasa paligid lang po sila, nag-aabang ng mabibiktima. Please. Alright? Let's continue, Scorpio. Ace of Cups. There's a new beginning waiting for you. There's a new chapter that will be unlocked for you. Sorry. Scorpio, help yourself. Hindi darating, hindi mo ito makakamit, hindi ka makakausad kapag pinilit mong humawak sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na talaga para sa'yo. Queen of Pentacles. Apektado ng finances mo, apektado ng trabaho mo. With the Ace of Cups, please. There's a new beginning waiting for you. There's a new chapter of your life that's going to unfold. Ano mo yan, yung buhay natin dito sa mundo puno ng surprises. It doesn't mean na pag nasimula na yan, it will be until the end. No. We should always ready ourselves for a lot of surprises. Ang kasama dito, yung pagtanggap sa katotohanan, ang mga bagay ay walang forever. It needs to end, lalong-lalo na kung nagpapabigat na sa atin to. With the Ace of Cups, believe me, Scorpio, help yourself because something great, something amazing with the Ace of Cups is waiting for you. Tingnan mo. It really needs to end. Please, Scorpio. Kailangan na itong matapos. Kailangan mo nang umalis. Kailangan mo nang move forward. Gusto mo ng freedom Gusto mong lumaya pero hindi mo magawa. Nakatali ka, may piring ka pa, nakatali ka sa mga swords. Bugbog ka na. Kung sa boxing ring, nakadapa ka na, tinatapak-tapakan ka pa. Please, you don't deserve this, Scorpio, sinasabi ko lagi sa'yo. Maawa ka sa sarili mo. This is the message here. Free yourself. Tulungan mo sa sarili mo. You really don't deserve this. Uulitin ko na naman. Hindi ikaw yung Scorpio na kilala ko. You're a very jolly person. You're very smart. You're very bubbly. Okay? I know mabigat. Hindi madali ang lahat. But please, take an action. Make a stand. Bawiin mo ang sarili mo, muli kang bumangon. Bagsak na bagsak ka, oh. Alright, Scorpio? You don't deserve this. Help yourself to move forward. One step at a time. I'm not saying na biglaan yung pag-move forward yung healing na gagawin mo. It takes process, di ba? But, unti-unti mong bunutin yung mga swords na yan. Masakit man, mabigat man, bunutin mo yung mga nakatusok na sword sa iyo. Mabigat man siya, bitbitin mo. Unti-unti kang humakbang. Unti-unti kang mag-move forward for yourself to heal. Walang mangyayari kung hindi mo sisimulan. Happiness, healing, joy is waiting for you at the corner at the end. So please, Scorpio, napakalinaw. From the first card na pang 8 cards na natin ito, napakalinaw ng mensahe. This is about moving forward. This is about, letting go of a certain situation that is really, draining your energy. Okay? Cheer up. Sana matauhan ka na, Scorpio. Ito, makaka-move forward ka, makakabagon ka. Okay, one step at a time, help yourself here. Pang-siyam, King of Wands. Very manipulative yung person. Kung partner mo man to, kung boss mo man to, kung kaibigan mo to, minamanipulate ka. That's why parang hindi ka makalis-alis. I don't know kung anong meron sa mga taong, pero magaling itong mga taong ito magpanggap, magaling magsalita, magaling, their actions are like, too good to be true. That's why parang feeling nyo, kaya pang ilaban. But ito yung mga tao, believe me, pag nakatalikod kayo, Scorpio, they are happy with the situation, what's happening to you. In the King of Wands, I can see they are just showing, pinapakita lang nila that they are superior. That mas magaling sila, kaya nila, they can do everything, but deep inside, they are not. Wala silang bitaw, Scorpio, mas magaling ka. Mas matalino ka, mas talented ka. Okay? Nakikita ko lang dito, parang medyo inspired ka, ang taas ng pagtingin mo sa taong ito. But there's no point, wala namang dahilan para i-admire mo itong taong to that is for a long time, that is causing you stress, that nagbibigay sa'yo ng sakit ng ulo or talagang nagpapahirap sa'yo. Okay, Scorpio? This is the energy that I can feel here. That's why hindi ka maka-move forward with the Three of Wands. Ayaw mo, hindi ka basta-basta makatalikod. Kasi parang chinichika-chika ka. Parang nagpapakita ng konting kabutihan, nagpapakita ng konting pagbabago, but later on, balik na naman sa dati. Alright, Scorpio? Tapusin natin tong card mo. Itong reading with your 10th and last card. King of Pentacles. With the Moon card. Tanggalin yung overthinking. Tulungan mo ang sarili mo na makabawi sa emotional imbalance here. King of Pentacles is waiting for you. Stability and abundance. Actually, mas lalong lalago. Mas lalong kang aarangkada. Mas lalong gaganda ang kabuhayan mo. Mas lalong gaganda ang trabaho mo. Your business, everything na pinagkukunan mo ng resources. If you free yourself from a certain negativities, blockages, mga toxicity, mga tao, sitwasyon na nagsiserve as toxic para sa Scorpio. Kung hindi mo tatanggalin yan, mahihirapan kang umusad. Paulit-ulit na lang yung cycle ng frustrations and disappointments for you. May King of Pentacles dito. May abundance. May kasaganahan. May blessings that are waiting for you at the corner at the end. But, tatapusin ko ng but, Scorpio, this is the best time to take an action. To make an action. To free yourself. To cut yourself. To distance yourself. Please, it needs to end. Para sa sarili mo. Maging selfish ka naman ngayon, Scorpio, because talagang hindi na okay yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life, Scorpio. Thank you so much. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ni Scorpio ang makapanood nito ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal, mga pinamahal kong soulmates sa inyong laging pagsama. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.